Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so last week we drew Daffy Duck and Porky Pig from the new Looney Tunes movie, The Day the Earth Blew Up, and I had promised we'd get back to drawing the book version of Paddington. Well, I lied. Okay, maybe that's too harsh. I didn't lie. We will get back to the Paddington drawing. It's just that I got sidetracked, as this new Looney Tunes movie has so many great exaggerated poses of Daffy and Porky, I couldn't help but draw them again. It also gives me an opportunity to highlight the fact that this month marks the 90th birthday of one Porky, Cornelius, Washington, Otis, Lincoln, Abner, Aloysius, Casper, Jefferson, Filbert, Horatius, Narcissus Pig, who first appeared in the short I Haven't Got a Hat, which was released on March 2nd, 1935. So happy birthday, Porky. May we all look as good at 90. It also gives me an opportunity to give a hat tip to the genius animator who took it upon himself to reshape and improve both Daffy and Porky in the early 40s in a way that really launched them and made them the stars they remain all these years later. I'm speaking, of course, about the late great Tex Avery, who, while he was at Leon Schlesinger Productions, which later became Warner Brothers, was the one who really shaped the personalities and the characteristics of these two Looney Tune legends. And in this new movie, The Day the Earth Blew Up, Porky and Daffy are drawn in a style reminiscent of those Tex Avery years, with wild exaggerated movements, expressions, and reactions. It's good stuff. And the pose I've chosen for both are right in keeping with those Tex Avery years. Anyways, rather than just talk about it, what do you say we get started with our exaggerated pose drawing of Porky Pig and Daffy Duck from The Day the Earth Blew Up, a Looney Tunes movie. We're going to draw Porky and Daffy step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this very exaggerated action pose, Daffy is just under 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his weird duck head is, his entire twisted running body is just under 3 of those tall. And Porky, whose head is the exact same height as Daffy's, is just under 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his pig head is, his entire body is a little under 2 of those tall. Okay, so let's draw that roadmap for Porky Pig and Daffy Duck for the new Looney Tunes movie, The Day the Earth Blew Up. So there's a roadmap for Porky and Daffy. Now before I go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our two characters' bodies using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Again, just something to help you envision how to lay out your drawing. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Porky's and Daffy's eyes, snouts, bills, mouths, among other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Alright, so let's rough out the features for Daffy and Porky from The Day the Earth Blew Up, a Looney Tunes movie. Okay, so they're the roughed out features for Porky and Daffy. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's now time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Porky and Daffy. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. As I often say, I want you to be present. And what I mean by that is you don't want to just mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. As you're drawing that final line, you want to still be thinking about how you might improve it, staying vigilant until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details for Porky and Daffy from the new Looney Tunes movie, The Day the Earth Blew Up. And that's how you do it. There you have it. From The Day the Earth Blew Up, a Looney Tunes movie, Daffy Duck and the birthday boy, Porky Pig. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn any pose or version of Porky or Daffy before, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Porky or Daffy during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Porky Pig and Daffy Duck. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Porky and Daffy. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.